Hello and welcome back! In our last videos, we explored what Web3 is and the differences between Web 1, Web 2, and today's Web 3. Today, we're diving into a core piece of this new digital world, digital ownership. It sounds complex, but it's as simple as the difference between renting a home and owning one. And it's the key to controlling your digital life. Watch till the end for a simple but powerful Web3 secret that most people miss. Let's start with that house example. When you rent an apartment, you live there. But you can't paint the walls, change the layout, or decide who enters the building. The landlord holds the keys and the power. Now, what if you owned your digital space, just like you own a home? This is the promise of Web3. Owning a piece of the internet means you make the rules. It's your digital property. No one can take it away from you. This is a big shift from what we're used to. Let's take another example, the money in your bank. You trust the bank to hold it, and for the most part, that works. But you're not in complete control. The bank can freeze your account or limit your transactions. True digital ownership is like holding cash in your hand. You have direct control. It's yours, and you decide what to do with it. No middleman required. As we touched on in our first video about Web3, this idea of direct control is fundamental. So why does this matter for you, an adult navigating the digital world? It's about security and freedom. It means that a digital item you buy, whether it's art, a membership, or an in-game item, is truly yours. You can keep it, sell it, or give it away, just like a physical object. It means you're not locked into one platform. You can take your digital identity and assets with you. This isn't about speculation or getting rich quick. It's about building a more stable, fair, and user-controlled internet. Let's recap. We've seen that much of our current digital life is like renting. We don't truly own our accounts or the content we create on platforms. True digital ownership, a core concept of Web3, is like owning your home or holding cash. It gives you control and freedom over your digital assets. Now, for the secret I promised. The most important thing to understand about Web3 isn't the technology, the hype, or the prices. It's this. Web3 is about owning your digital life, not getting rich. It's a shift from being a user to being an owner. I hope this helps clarify what digital ownership is all about. In our next video, we'll explore the technology that makes all of this possible as I answer the question, what is blockchain? Explained simply.